It's so telling how the landscape can change from one generation to the next. In Judges 2 verse 10 to 11, we read that after Joshua and all the elders had passed away, there was nobody left in all of the nation who knew the great things God had done for them. Every single church, every single organization is always one generation away from being extinct. We need to realize that when we look at our teenagers and our children, that they're not the church of tomorrow, but they're a part of the church of today. We need to realize that if we are not going to disciple them, somebody else is. If we want to build strongholds against the enemy, if we want our churches and organizations to be strongholds against the enemy, we need to realize that strongholds is built in the praises of children and infants, as taught by Psalm 8 verse 3. It is because of this that we realize the importance of bringing up a generation that will build strongholds against the enemy, that this year's Impact Conference would be a youth, children's and family conference. I would like to invite every single mother, every single father, every single child to become a part of this so that we can, in the praises of children and infants, build strongholds against the enemy, that we can restore the family setting to what it was supposed to be. Please see the Impact Youth Conference Facebook page for more information, or feel free to contact me if you are willing and keen to get involved. I hope that you will have a blessed day. Bye-bye.